Tonight, we will report on more amazing effects of this wondrous water. We will show that atopic dermatitis, often called childhood eczema, can be cured by this water. Now it is time for our special report. Atopic dermatitis, or childhood eczema, is an illness accompanied by intense itching. Its cause is unknown, and it has been found that this almost incurable illness can be cured by this special water. We have been following patients with this skin disease as they were treated with this wondrous water for 6 months. Now we will report on our findings. Atopic dermatitis is painful, causing young children to cry all night because of the intense itching. They scratch so much that often their sheets are stained with blood. My son gets itchy in the middle of the night and cries and scratches intensely. It happens every night. We can't sleep either, so we are deprived of sleep all the time. For treatment, doctors use adrenocortical hormones or steroids. Even when the patient recovers temporarily, the condition always comes back, and the long-time use of large amounts of steroids has many adverse side effects. Recently, concerned parents of young children have begun to steer away from steroids. Now that this water treatment is in the spotlight, many patients visit Akashi Hospital here in Tokyo. Recently, many parents have turned away from steroids. They go to many different hospitals before they finally end up here. Twin sisters Saki and Yu Matsubara visited Dr. Shinkai at Atashi Hospital. Their parents wanted them to be cured without using steroids. Their bodies are red and covered with rashes. Okay, where do you want it next? How about your hands? For intense itching and inflammation, this strong acidic water of pH 2.6, which was especially developed for medical use, is applied. And for curing atopic dermatitis from inside the body, patients drink alkaline water. Both types of water are created by electrolysis. You can create this water using an electrolysis water generator made for home use. Although I don't force my patients to drink more than they can, by simply drinking alkalized water every day, the skin becomes really clean in about 3 to 4 months. There is an unavoidable problem when using this water with patients who have been on steroids. When they stop using steroids, they face withdrawal symptoms, and the situation is tough for a while. Mr. Tomita of Kyoto was told by Dr. Shinkai in detail about the withdrawal symptoms. He consented to the treatment of his 1-year-old son Ryuki without hesitation. Look at the area around Ryuki's mouth. It used to be this bad. But now, after 5 months of treatment, it looks nice and clean like this. None of the atopic dermatitis remains on his elbows or behind his knees. He has his clean, clear infant skin back. It was really bad when the treatment first began. He was covered with blood, but the bleeding would stop when we'd wipe him with tissues soaked with that water we got from Atashi Hospital. I'm amazed that he was cured just by water. Atashi Hospital is sending electrolyzed alkaline and strong acidic water to patients at cost. 11 months after he started the treatment, Ryuki